Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope this recipe gives y'all just a little break from everything that we have going on in the world. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
I was cussing when you first made your cheesecake. What? Baby, and I'm gonna just get real in here.
Yeah, they fighting over the. Do you dig?
I just want to make sure you get a full adequate.
12 cookies, so 6 here, 6 here, and the other 6 are going on top. To get them a little mushy, I just throw them in the microwave for a little bit, and now we're back to the cheesecake. Get to spray your pan before putting in the cookie. 4 eggs, at least a cup of sugar, a big mixing bowl. This is my mixer, and these are the mixing wands. And then I have 2 8-ounce things of cream cheese. These come in a 2-pack. I already have 1, and then you want to just, get it a little soft because it'd be harder to mix it up if it's not softened. So either you can leave it out for a little bit, or you can do this, or put it in the microwave, whatever tickles your fancy. And now let's get into making it. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, child. 350 degrees. You want to take 4 eggs and crack those in here. Imitation vanilla extract. I have to get rid of this, so this is going in the cheesecake today. Let's see how good I can crack it. Hey, yes, child. You're gonna need 1 cup of sugar and a tablespoon of your vanilla. 1. Number 2. Come on, wiggle, wiggle. Taste it. Make sure you taste it before it goes in the oven, because if it's nasty, it ain't gonna change its flavor. Okay, so there are no holes in here besides the meat, the minor ones. So we're gonna pour this up in here right now. All right, so now that it's all out, you want to get it to your kids so they can go ahead and dive in. I'm just playing. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna knead this down a little bit, and I'm gonna put that on the top. Okay. So get this. Break them down so they can't be broken down no more, child. Okay. Whoa. You want this size, the size of this one with the little chocolate chip. That's the preferred size. And if you do this on top of the oven, it's also gonna warm it up. So, what you got to say? Really? While I'm cooking? I mean, you gonna look at it. While I'm cooking? So I'm gonna take this, try to knead as much as I can, piece by piece. Make sure your hair is clean when you do this. You wanna stretch it out as much as you can on the top so they're actually bars. Separate them, put them there, separate them. Finished result. It's a lot of gaps, but those gonna get over. All right, we're putting this in the oven. 30 minutes to an hour. We're gonna check on it throughout.